Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best storage sheds that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best storage sheds. These storage sheds come in all different shapes and sizes for keeping various amounts of gear safe and secure from the elements. No matter what your budget is, you should find something to suit your needs. Number 5. Aero WR65. It is ideal for those who like a cabin look. It is made with a galvanized steel frame that will tolerate years of rain and moisture without suffering much damage. Main features: faux wood exterior stays looking new, offers ample headroom, does not include a floor. Number 4. Keter Factor Resin. It has a sleek, wood-like texture that you won't mind displaying in your yard. It's well vented to prevent the growth of mold or mildew, and windows to provide natural light. Main features: angled roof prevents snow buildup, can be secured with a padlock. Walls are rather thin. Number 3. Aero Hamlet. It is made entirely of steel and includes pre-drilled parts that should save you time during assembly. Since there's no plastic or wood, you won't need to worry about it rotting. Main features: relatively easy to construct. 3 sizes available. Included screws are not the best. Number 2. Suncast Utility. It is a logical option when you want to maximize storage space without taking up lots of square footage, and the Suncast Utility does just that. It tucks away into a corner. Main features: great for storing rakes and brooms. Built-in padlock hasp. Not meant for super heavy equipment. Number 1. Yard Stash 3. It is a convenient quick fix for an overcrowded garage. Since it's a non-permanent structure, it can easily be moved around your property, and is big enough to hold 2 large bicycles. Main features: zippers seal the door completely. Carrying bag for easy portability. High up of over 50. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.